Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Eufy Security SoloCam E40 and Bling Outdoor. The Eufy Security SoloCam E40 offers 1080p HD video quality, a built-in spotlight, and motion detection with alerts sent directly to your phone. It also features two-way audio, allowing you to speak to visitors through the camera. It has local storage via micro SD card, eliminating the need for a cloud subscription. The battery life is impressive, lasts up to 6 months on a single charge. The Bling Outdoor's wireless security cameras also deliver 1080p HD video and motion detected alerts, but it has a strong battery life up to 2 years with the include 2 AA lithium batteries. It integrates well with Alexa for voice commands and has cloud storage options with a free trial for video recording. It is weather resistant and designed for easy installation. In my opinion, the Eufy SoloCam E40 is better choice for those who prefer local storage and want feature like the built-in spotlight. However, the Bling Outdoor is great for users who want a longer lasting battery and cloud storage options. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.